Wow! A glowing number 1. It's magic. 2 plus 1? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Wow! Look, it's a 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pause and solve the next puzzle. Wow, a number 5. 4. And 4. Wow, look at that! It's an 8. Can flowers help us learn addition? Yes, they can.